In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search photos by date in Google Photos. If you have a large photo library, finding one specific picture can feel overwhelming. The good news is that Google Photos makes date-based searching very simple, whether you're using the web version or the mobile app. The main thing you need to know is that you can type a date directly into the search bar and let Google Photos filter the results for you. To begin, open Google Photos and go to the search bar at the top. From there, type the specific date, month, or year you want to search for. For example, you can enter something like October 2025, December 15, 2024, or even just a single year if you want broader results. This is the quickest way to narrow down your library when you already have a rough idea of when a photo was taken. You can also search by an exact date or by month. In the search bar, use standard date expressions such as month, day, year, or month, year. A search like July 4th, 2023 will help you find photos from that exact day, while a search like July 2023 will show a wider set of photos from that month. This is especially helpful if you remember the timing of an event, but not the exact image you're looking for. If you want to search across a longer period, Google Photos also supports date range searches. You can enter a single year or a span of years to pull up photos taken within that time frame. For example, typing 2020 to 2021 can help filter your results to photos from those years. In some cases, you may also see formats like 2020, 2022 used to define a range. This is useful when you're searching for vacation photos, family events, or work-related images collected over multiple years. There's also a difference between when a photo was taken and when it was uploaded. If you're trying to find images based on the date they were added to Google Photos, type recently added into the search bar. This works in both the Google Photos app and the web app. It's a great option if you uploaded older photos recently and don't remember their original capture date. For best results, keep your search terms simple and use clear date formats. If one version doesn't bring up what you need, try a slightly different format, such as switching from a full date to just the month and year. With these search options, you can quickly find exactly what you're looking for in Google Photos.